a bit of a mobility exercise for our shoulder. So typical movements, our shoulders are coming up to the side, back. It can move a whole sorts of ways, but an important one is it's going to be able to externally rotate coming up and internally rotate. So key thing I want you to pay attention, I'm not letting my shoulder blade come down when I do that internal rotation. I'm keeping my shoulder blade out of it, so it's actually my shoulder doing the movement. So for this exercise, the reason that matters is when I have my arm completely straight in this fist with my thumb pointed up, I'm going to be pointing it down to get into that internal rotation, but I'm keeping my shoulder blade out of it. And then I'm going to come back up as far as I can, and again, down through here. So just so you can see, down as far as I can without my shoulder blade caving in, nice and tall, and then up back as far as I can. So really making sure I get that motion. So if you feel pretty good at this like 45-degree, then you can work your way up to 90 degrees, which is harder. So I'd start with a 45-degree, but this is a really good way to keep the shoulder moving. What I don't want to see is when you come up, that your rib cage also comes up. Everything is just happening at the shoulder. So rib cage is down, my neck's not involved. It's all just happening at my shoulder joint. So I'm trying to go as far as I can through here and then coming up. I prefer doing one hand at a time, because I find if not, we can kind of get sloppy with it and come with our shoulder blade versus just our shoulder joints. So up back as far as you can, down as far as you can. Even better if you can slow down the movement and try to keep the arm completely straight as you do this, because you can kind of cheat and just move your elbow, but I want the entire shoulder moving for this one. Perfect. So this is a really good, easy way to get mobility into your shoulder throughout your day. So I would say good quality, 8 to 10 repetitions twice a day would be ideal. But if you even just do it for once, that's pretty good to get into your day and get some movement into that shoulder joint. So again, make sure shoulder blade is not coming through. It's just my shoulder moving in that rotation. All right, give it a try.